said the 427 chapters very also.
There again. There was. Okay, let the other kids get in. Yeah, come on. Let's go find the other one.
Get in the same time Adam gets in.
Park's in the other side.
And the black.
Or
No, like that?
careful. You better make a double on Amber.
Hey, Amber, I'm going to turn it. Like,
Had some pictures on him, so. Where'd Adam go?
I'm right there.
Okay. Let's go over this Apache, Adam.
Attention in the area, please. Attention in the area, please.
Three blasting caps inside of a chicken. This is to show you what the effects of three blasting caps can do. And this is what we use to initiate our explosive, and it's pretty powerful. Here you go. It's right out here, the desk. What we have is a simulation of a letter bomb, and this is a commonly used terrorist bomb, and it's straight out, right out the desk there.
Watch straight out there.
Sergeant Cox, those was a case of beer. Alright, we're going to the next shot. Third shot we have is a mannequin. She's standing right over to your right. She's holding a block of C4. This is a plastic explosive we use, and this is to show you the effects of what it can do to personnel.
They'd blow a person up like that.
Is 1,000 feet of dead cord, which burns at 2,200 feet per second, and 22,000 feet per second, sorry. And it's also got some flour on top of it to blow up. It's stretched between the truck on your right and the desk over here on your left.
Where's Lady at, Mom?
There goes the desk, too.
We have 1 pound of TNT inside of it to simulate a car bomb.
Another case of beer.
There goes your car.
Timex watch. People looking at people. How would it be weird to do?
The gas is about the same place the other dead cord shot was, just on the other side of the desk. The 3 yellow flags on the other side of the desk. The explosive used in the letter bomb was 2 pounds of pet.
Oh yeah. We're catching some snakes yesterday. Yeah, they've got one in the inside the thing in the bar. They still have it. I don't like snakes. Not for me.
Truck gone.
Yeah.
Let's go start flying.
That's all we have. Thank you very much.
Saying on each one what it was, let it fall in the car.
Cruise missile.
Hey, parachute!
Adam,
Court, get out.
Court, turn around. Get the balloon out of the way. Ready?
I'm gonna get this
Hey.
Lucky shot, right?
Hey, Ron, turn around.
Nobody carries a 30 now. They usually only got the small
20. It's like a 30 is.
Did you take the camera? There's a gun? Yeah, that's one of the shoes.
Miller.
Camera! Look,
And then they do have,
Oh, Grandpa would have loved this.
so when you look inside, they got a TV screen, it's just like daylight. So it could be pitch black. And they don't care. That's what they train us up on.
Hey, look, Bart!
He's gonna fly right over us right here.
And then it's powerful enough to carry another one at the same size.
Oh man.
So look onto them and
That's what they used to go out and pick up them space capsules. One halon, but you gotta have two of the CO2 ones, so I'll tell you how much more efficient. Like F4 or F-16s have a halon system in them, tank and erding system. They have a little bitty halon bottle, and when they go into a dogfight mode, it just pushes halon into the air system, so if they take a hit or something, they can't burn anything.
it takes air. It takes the air right out, so the rotors.
Yeah.
Oh, you think that'll get whipped up and all that for you? That poor guy better hook up. Oh, they got the place to
Looking through the pilot stuff. must be 80 to 100 yards away from that thing, and I can feel the air clear out here. Those props are pushing. Second, I missed it.
Used to use them to jump in and get pilots woods.
See him, Randy?
Jumped out. Yeah.
Just as soon as they jump out.
Just 3, huh?
No, I think that only 3 when they load it up.
Holy cow, this one guy shoots got a big old hole. Not in the top.
Won't land on the pearl. Really? Yeah, don't. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, the minnow iron.
Got the red line.
Uh-oh, the minnow.
That's where they're supposed to
I
land.
do.
That always is to tell them, like, when the helicopter landed over there, it landed where the red was.
Be that high up.
What happened? Daddy, can we get a picture of that? Can I get a picture of it? Daddy, can we go over there?
Watch that guy, he's going right down. Oh my heck. Oh, that guy's getting right in the seat. Oh, he's going right on. One more guy. He's running.
Yeah. No, not in yours, Michael. That's not funny.
Can I take a picture, Dad?
It's interesting.
Them facing into the wind.
I didn't think about it after I did it.
Oh, baby. Can we ride in pictures?
Not. Not. See, that's what they did at my
I sealed the cord with my watch.